We all want a joyful holiday season, full of love, laughter, and memories. But sometimes the unexpected can interrupt the fun. Let's make sure you're ready to handle whatever comes your way. Tip number 1. Always check your holiday lights and extension cords. Faulty wiring can lead to fires, so be sure to unplug them before bed. Tip number 2. Watch your step. Slippery driveways or sidewalks can cause falls. Treat your paths with salt or sand to keep everyone safe. Tip number 3. Never leave cooking food unattended. A kitchen mishap is a real holiday buzzkill. Keep a close eye on the stove and oven. And finally, tip number 4. Protect your home and family with the right insurance coverage. Your home, your car, and your health deserve to be safe and secure, especially during the holidays. That's where Klinger Insurance Group comes in. Call Klinger Insurance Group today at 301-428-4935. Our team will help you find the best coverage for all your needs, so you can focus on making memories, not worrying about the unexpected. Stay safe, stay happy, and enjoy your holiday season with peace of mind. Happy holidays from Klinger Insurance.